The BJP leader should decide whether they want to take the country forward or backward. When the entire world is talking about free trade, when the entire world is talking about artificial intelligence, BJP leaders are talking about Aurangzeb. What is this nonsense? By digging up a grave or bringing it down to the ground, what are they going to achieve? Is history going to change? Is the present going to change? Is the future of Indians or the young youth going to change? I think BJP have gone senile. I think they don't know what to discuss and what should be the priorities for the country. The Bloom report says more than 100 crore people don't have extra income to spend. And these people are talking about Aurangzeb. By destroying the graves of any king or any emperor, is it going to make anybody better? And like I said, why are they living in the past? People have elected you to live in the present and set the future right for the youngsters. जब पूरे विश्व में AI की चर्चा हो रहा है, ये औरंगजेब की चर्चे में लगे हैं. शर्म आनी चाहिए ऐसे नेताओं को.